Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a comp and keyframes. Start now by selecting the layer and hitting the graph editor. Once done, make sure you're viewing the proper graph type by toggling the value versus speed display in the panel. You'll want to enable separate dimensions for position if you need independent X/Y control. Next, select the keyframes you intend to change and zoom into the curve area so you can manipulate handles precisely. Don't skip this precision step. Now choose the graph type. Value graph if you need numeric changes, speed graph to shape timing and easing. You'll see Bezier handles on selected keyframes, drag them to change acceleration, or Alt/Option click a handle to break tangents and get asymmetric motion. Make incremental adjustments, testing playback between changes so you can feel the timing. Also change spatial interpolation to linear or Bezier to alter motion path shape. These combined tweaks control both how and why the movement reads on screen. Finish by applying easy ease or manually refining tangents until the motion feels natural. Preview RAM playback to confirm timing under real playback conditions. Once satisfied, enable motion blur and do a quick trim render to verify final appearance in context. If something looks off, make sure you're on the correct graph type and reset tangents on problematic keyframes before re-editing. As a troubleshooting tip, toggle between value and speed graphs. Sometimes the wrong view makes your edit seem ineffective, so switch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.